Today I will show you how quickly export video for YouTube. After finishing video editing, go to the Deliver page. Here you will find ready-made presets for different social networks. Select YouTube. Specify the file name and the destination folder for export. Choose the resolution and adjust the settings. At the bottom in the Normalize Audio section there are two options available. Normalize to standard. Does not make significant changes to the audio, it only adjusts it to YouTube standards. This option is suitable if the audio has already been properly balanced. Optimize to standard is a more advanced processing mode. It analyzes audio track and can compress or expand the dynamic range, as well as level out parts that are too quiet or too loud. This option is useful if audio processing was not given enough attention earlier. Once a settings are complete, you can process it with rendering. To learn even more about the capability of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.